Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your CapCut application on your PC, and after that to simply click the import button in here to start uploading the media files that we want to edit. And after successfully importing it, it will show you in here the result or the video, so you can start playing it to see what it looks like. And if you now start to edit this, just simply drag the video from here to this timeline. Now the next thing that we need to do is to simply add the overlay. And in adding an overlay, we just simply need to upload another kind of media, either an image or a video for it. For example, at this point, I'm going to simply import from my computer files an image. So just click the import button once again and import the images. And once done, you can simply drag it on the top of your video, for example. So it is currently added, or which we already have additional media in here with your images. So you could also start changing the sizes of it and also arranging the scale on the right side panel as your tools. So as you can see, this overlay feature is essential for creating more dynamic, layered, and visually appealing videos, in which it allows users to place additional media such as images, videos, or even sticker text on the top of the main video track. And this is especially useful for video effects like split screens, reaction videos, and many more. And if you're now done, just click the export button on the top right corner to save the changes and upload your files or your video that you just edited with an overlay to it. And that is just how you can start adding an overlay in CapCut PC.